Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: welcome to the digital brain, inside a real data center. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're going on an epic field trip, no bus required. We're diving headfirst into something that makes our digital world tick. A data center. It's like the secret superhero headquarters for the internet. And I'm super pumped to show you around. Metaphorically, of course. Get ready to have your mind blown. Imagine your brain. It stores all your memories, processes thoughts, and helps you binge watch cat videos. A data center is basically the asterisk internet's brain. Instead of neurons, it's packed with thousands of computers, servers, all working together to store, process, and transmit all the data for websites, apps, streaming services, and basically anything you do online. Without them, your TikTok feed would be, well, non-existent. Let's get nerdy with our brain analogy. Each server in a data center is like a super-powered neuron, firing off data and instructions. The storage devices? Those are like our long-term memory, holding on to all those precious selfies and important documents. And the powerful processors? They're like the parts of your brain that solve complex equations or decide what to order for dinner, crunching numbers and making things happen at warp speed. Okay, enough with the brains. Let's talk brass tacks, or rather, blinking lights and humming machines. When you walk into a data center, well, if you could, you'd see rows upon rows of tall cabinets called racks. Inside these racks are the real workhorses. Servers, stacked like digital pancakes. Each server is a computer, but built for serious work. And then there are storage units, think massive digital libraries, holding petabytes. That's a lot of gigabytes of information. How do all these digital brains talk to each other? Through a super fast, super redundant nervous system, the network. We're talking switches, routers, and miles of fiber optic cables zipping data around at the speed of light. If a server is a neuron, the network is the entire highway system that makes sure messages get from your brain to your toes instantly. Without this network, it would just be a room full of computers ignoring each other. Imagine running 1,000 high-powered computers 24/7. They get hot, and they need a lot of electricity. Data centers have incredible cooling systems, giant AC units, liquid cooling, even fancy airflow designs, to keep everything from melting down. And power? We're talking massive generators, UPS systems, like a giant battery backup, and redundant power feeds, because downtime is not an option. It's like the ultimate life support for the internet. So much crucial data in one place needs serious protection. Data centers are fortress-like, with biometric scanners, security guards, and tons of cameras. But it's not just physical security. There's also cybersecurity protecting against digital invaders. And reliability? Every single component often has a backup, or two, or three. So if one part fails, the whole show keeps going. It's like having multiple immune systems and backup organs, built to never fail. See? Data centers aren't just boring buildings. They're the literal backbone of our digital lives. A buzzing, humming, high-tech marvel. They make streaming, gaming, online shopping, and even this video possible. Understanding them is a huge step in becoming a data center engineer. Next time, we'll dive deeper into specific components. For now, give yourself a pat on the back for touring the digital brain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Network Academy fun. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.